So today we want to see the continuous part of active and passive voice. So how many forms we have seen earlier? So how many forms? 4 forms. So are you very sure about we have seen 4 forms? Okay. Present tense we have 4 forms. So can anyone name those 4 forms? Again I am telling whether we have seen 4 or less than 10. Started with 4 and now telling it is 3. So get confused with the tense and voice. We have only 3 forms in voice. For second tense we have 3. For past tense we have 3. And future tense we have only the 2 forms. Remaining things and all we don't have a passive structure. Okay. So here we are going to see the active voice simple partial type of a sentence. So here is the structure. So for that I have written this sentence. The mood is third C. Okay. So what will be the answer for this? E for I think better can you try? You can make your answer. So Yukita has given a correct answer. We have changed the subject. We have changed the subject and the verb arrested is the past structure. So being based on the position of the subject, we mentioned it is verb arrested by the police. Okay, wow. Similarly, we have one past continuous tense also. So we construct a sentence based on the formula. Like where the workers were decorating the houses. The workers were decorating the houses. I think right. So the workers were decorating the houses. This is an active voice. So your answer must be in a form of your answer must be in a form of near equivalent a passive structure. Near equivalent a passive structure and use all those applicable things on the formula. If you are getting your answer, so for Selvin also give you a clap. Selvin, what to write? Yes. Ask you whether he has written the right answer or the editing right. Okay. So can I start the mistake in the given sentence? Houses. So here it is in the form of plural, but Selvin has written so you have to be while writing your subject or like object as a subject, you have to be very careful. So or else it went wrong. There is no trademark for this. Okay, last structure in partition we have past, verb, and tense. So what is the formula to write a sentence? Subject has plus past participle. Okay, in a passive form we will just want to add being. Being it is a perfect tense. We are adding being. Whereas if it is a continuous in the sense, now we use being. So passive la continuous வரும்போது we have to use being. For perfect tense and all we have to use being structure. So here I have written they had submitted they had submitted document. They had submitted document. So who wants to write? They had submitted the document. So, when you have written the answer, give a clap. Yes. How many of you felt how or how can be used here? No one. Everyone related it with had. If it is for film. So in this passive and active structure, we have the last two forms. Is the future tense. So simple future tense. There is the normal structure to make a sentence. So for that, we have written, I will post these letters. Not this letter, these letters. So you are going to write your answer in a form of passive simple future. So what will be the answer? These letters. In a future tense, you might know that the subject position such as singular plural will not affect it. Directly you can use either will or shall. So the last one is future perfect tense. Here we have the structure subject will or shall have plus V3 object. And for this we have to use the along with the existing structure. Okay, so for what is the sentence? They will have spent all the saving lavishly. They will have spent all the saving lavishly. Yes. So how to check your answer while you are answering in exam pointer? So when you know how to write answer for these topics, how will you practice your answer? If they are going to ask you, they are not going to ask you to identify whether the given sentence is active voice or passive voice. However, all the sentences are going to be transformed from one form to another. Okay? In that case, how will you cross check your answer? Do you have any some kind of ideas? Ma'am, I just remember these points to check my answer during the exam time and all. So that's it. We have completed the topic. So for writing answer for active passive, what are the things must be known by each and every one of that thing I just want can anyone discuss that your answer. So that is the sum of this topic. Can anyone wants to tell? If you know the answer in the six, then the topic will be over. First thing is that identify the form, tense form, and follow the if you say it in the same I will be hard. Last class also she told anyone from what said. So what are the transmission notes to be followed? See, I will start people to feel collecting. Anyone stand and someone you can refer your notebook. So while practicing your answer, do identify the tense form, not change the tense form, and keep your focus on the subject, object transformation, whether it is singular or plural, and also cross check it out. Are you using the singular form of your verb or plural form of your verb? And do check it out. Have you used the participle structure? When you find you have done all those things in the same take the topic, then the answer will be correct. If it is not in the same, you have to do some more tests. Okay, ma'am? So you gotta this is how you can cross check your answer. Okay. And